guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing my September's Boxycharm and just trying out all the products that I got in this month's box. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Hello guys. So yeah, I know we're again like a couple days outside of September, but I don't know, I feel like September went by so fast that I just lost track that it was the end of September. And I forgot to film a Boxycharm video, so I'm going to show you guys everything that I got in my Boxycharm. I am first going to go in with this primer by the brand Gerorgette Klinger. I have never heard of this brand in my life, but it says all day radiant finish, hydrating and long wearing, has hyaluronic acid, and helps smooth makeup application that won't settle into pores, fine lines, or dry areas. Okay, so this retails for $32. I have a lot of primers from Boxycharm, so I'm definitely excited to try this one out. Okay, so it's kind of a runny primer. Has like no scent, which is actually really nice if your skin is sensitive to scent. I mean, it has like a very slight like spa smell, but otherwise it's actually very nice and non-fragranced. I actually really like how this just went on. Sometimes I can tell right away with the primer, like I'm not gonna like it at all, but I actually really do like this primer. I mean, I can't say if it's long wearing or anything, but it's a nice base for my skin. It's very hydrating. I can already feel. If you have oily skin, I don't know how well this would work for you, but I have dry skin, so I have a feeling this will probably work pretty well for me. So I'm just going to apply some foundation over the primer and then let you guys know how I liked my foundation going on top of the primer. So yeah, the makeup went on really well on top of the primer. I have absolutely no complaints about that. And I just did a lot of my base makeup off camera because that's super boring and that's not even part of this Boxycharm video. So yeah, so the next product I'm going to go in with is this brow product. It's by the brand St. Luxe. Again, I have never heard of this brand, but it is a brow gel. Glides on effortlessly, leaving your brows looking fuller and giving them perfect shape. This retails for $22. I love a brow gel. I cannot live without a brow gel. It'd be one of those things that I never really thought to use, and then once you start using it, you get really addicted and you can't live without it. So yeah, this is in the shade Clear. Don't know if they have any other shades, but I personally prefer a clear brow gel. So I already have my brows filled in, but I have not secured them with a brow gel. Ooh, so the brush is super little, which is different. I'm used to a big fat brush. So let's try this out here. I do like it being little because then you can really get in there. The thing I look for in brow gels is making sure that they don't get like white crusty pieces that dry down. After a couple hours, sometimes my brow gels, like if I touch my eyebrows, like it'll get really flaky and gross and it looks like you're wearing something on your eyebrows. So we'll see how that works and how much of a hold there is. But went on great, went on really amazing. So I have nothing but really good things to say at this current point. So they also sent me a set of brushes. So it came in this really cute brown pack. It's by the brand Elaina, badro? I don't know. I have not heard of any of these brands except for one that I'm going to show you at the end here. But yeah, it's actually kind of nice to try out new products that I have never tried and by brands that maybe don't get enough credit for. There's 3 brushes in here to contour, blend, and define with these 3 limited edition synthetic makeup brushes. This retails for $58. When I opened these up, I kind of wasn't impressed. I don't know. I'm not sure why this doesn't like impress me too much, but it looks like we get an eye brush, well, 2 eye brushes, and then a contour brush. So I just put on a little bit of bronzer, and we're going to go ahead and contour up a little bit here. I mean, it's pretty pretty much going on really good. Although I just don't gravitate towards a brush like this. If you do gravitate towards a brush like this, then you would probably like it because it seems like a good quality brush. And being for the price, you'd hope it's a good quality brush. So yeah. And for the other two brushes, I'm going to go ahead and pop on majority of my eye makeup. Just do something simple, and then we'll try out these brushes to see how these work as well. I'm gonna go in with this fluffier blending brush. I already put on a little eyeshadow, but this wasn't a good like all over eyeshadow brush, so I think this would be good for like the outer third of your eye. So let's try that out and see how well it blends. So yeah, I would say it blends pretty good. I don't have any issues with this brush. Actually, it's surprising me a little bit, being that it's a synthetic brush once again. I feel like I always go for like more hair bristles. By the way, I'm using my Kathleen Lights So Jaded palette. Still one of my favorite palettes ever. And spring, summer, fall, winter, you can use all these shades, honestly. Like, this palette really never gets boring. I'm going to take this other brush and go along my lash line. Honestly, those brushes surprised me. I don't know if 3 brushes are worth $58 when you can get brushes for much cheaper, like ColourPop, Morphe, BH Cosmetics. They all have brushes for way cheaper, but honestly, for more luxurious brushes and trying a different brand, that was really cool to try out those. So I actually really like those. I'm just going to apply some mascara, and then I have 2 more products to finish up this video with. Okay, so now we have a lip product. This is by the brand Realher. Never Give Up Moisturizing Lipstick. Over time, water is released from the lipstick, providing hydration to your lips. Not only is each shade infused with a jojoba oil, shea butter, and vitamin E, but each lipstick also provides all-day hydration. Kind of cool. If so, my lips are always getting really dry. So this product retails for $18. Okay, very cute packaging. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, nice. So it's like a brown red lipstick, and I guess, let's see, it's in the shade Chestnut. So I think that I might line my lips a little bit with a lip liner, just so we have like the line already ready to go for the lipstick to go on top. I really like this shade on my lips. Perfect for the fall. And I think it goes really well with this makeup look and also my hair color. And it feels so freaking hydrating, not drying at all. So I think it's definitely true what they say by it might like release some hydration throughout the day. But yeah, I actually really like that lipstick quite a lot. I have so many lipsticks in my collection, but you can't go wrong with having even more. The last and final product I'm going to show you guys later on when I go in and take off my makeup, because it is a mask by the brand Glamglow. So I will show you guys that later when I wash off my face. But other than that, I really liked actually a lot of these products in this box here. I especially loved, obviously, the lipstick. The primer was really nice. The brow gel feels nice and comfortable on my brows. And the brushes actually surprised me. So everything is really good. I'll let you guys know how I like the mask. But other than that, yeah, I think that is my thoughts on all these products from this September's month's Boxycharm. Okay, here's the deal. I was reading the directions and it said do not use if you're super dry, me, if you have super sensitive skin, also me, or super reactive skin, which is definitely also me. And it said it was supposed to tingle for a couple seconds, but I only made it this far, and good thing I didn't put it on my chin because that's where I'm like the most dry, and it is on fire. It says leave on for up to
10 minutes, and yeah, I'm gonna have to go rinse this after applying this because it's really on fire, which sucks because I love Glamglow a lot, and it's not their fault at all. It's my own fault because I know I have sensitive, reactive, sensitive skin. So I think either, I don't know. I really do like this. It's really cool. It retails for $60, and yeah, I'm a little sad. The burning did go down a little bit, but I'm scared when I rinse this off that I'm going to have redness everywhere. But I'm sure it's a great product, so don't let that stop you. But I think I'm going to have to give this product away, which is really sad because I think I really wanted it to work out. But the mask is cool, generally. The mask is a really cool idea. But yeah, that is all for these Boxycharm products. Okay, I'm going to wash my face. My face is literally on fire.
But thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you for watching.